Positive body language. Show your enthusiasm and interest. Hello there, enthusiastic learners. In today's video, we're diving deep into a very special aspect of effective communication, body language. We'll be focusing on how you can use positive body language to demonstrate your enthusiasm and interest, especially during job interviews. By the end of this video, you'll be able to leave a lasting impression just by the way you carry yourself. Let's get started. Body language is a form of nonverbal communication that involves our gestures, posture, facial expressions, and even the distance we maintain from someone. In fact, some studies suggest that up to 70% of our communication is nonverbal. When words are not enough or when they're absent, our body speaks. 1. Eye contact. Making appropriate eye contact shows you're engaged and interested. However, there's a fine balance. Staring can be perceived as aggressive, while avoiding eye contact might seem like you're disinterested or nervous. 2. Open posture. Stand or sit with an open posture. This means no crossed arms or legs. Such a posture conveys openness, friendliness, and confidence. 3. Leaning in slightly. When someone is speaking, leaning in just a bit can show that you're actively listening and interested in what they have to say. 4. Nodding. Nod occasionally to show you're understanding and following along. 5. Facial expressions. A genuine smile can convey warmth and friendliness. It's also a direct indication of enthusiasm. 6. Mirroring. Subtly mirroring the positive body language of the person you're interacting with can build rapport. This doesn't mean copying them move for move, but rather adopting a similar tone or posture. While it's crucial to understand and implement positive body language, being aware of and avoiding negative signals is equally important. 1. Avoid fidgeting. Continuously tapping your foot, playing with your hair, or fiddling with objects can suggest nervousness or impatience. 2. Limit defensive gestures. Crossing your arms, pointing fingers, or having clenched fists can all send negative signals. 3. Avoid distractions. Glancing at the clock, looking at your phone, or gazing around the room can indicate a lack of interest in the conversation at hand. So there you have it. Positive body language is a powerful tool to demonstrate enthusiasm and interest, particularly in job interviews. By mastering these cues, not only will you convey your excitement and eagerness effectively, but you'll also leave a memorable impression on your audience or interviewer. We hope this video has shed light on the nuances of nonverbal communication. Remember, your body speaks volumes, so let it speak positively. See you in the next video.